Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online abacus course. Let's see what we have in this lesson. The abacus, this device, is a simple instrument for performing fast calculations. So it consists of this rectangular frame or board holding a number of rods. Here there are rods on which beads or counters, you can say, these they are, you can slide these counters up and down, and there is a beam here. This beam, it's running across the board and it divides the rods, every rod, into two sections. One is upper section, this one with one bead on every rod, and the lower section which has 4 beads. Now the abacus is based on the decimal system, and for convenience in calculation the beam is marked like here. You can see there is a dot, and here is a dot, there is a dot, there is a dot, and here you can see a dot. So it's marked with unit point at every third rod. So select any rod near the center of the board with mark here, and we can call this the unit rod of the problem. Then the rod, the first rod on its left is the tens rod, then this is the second is hundreds rod, and the third rod marked with another unit point here is the thousands rod, and so on. Now each of the 4 beads on the lower section of a rod has the value of 1, and the bead on the upper section here, this bead, it has the value of 5. Each of the 1 unit beads below the beam obtains its value when it is moved up toward the beam, and it loses its value when it is moved back down to its original position. On the other hand, each 5 unit bead, this has its value, obtains its value when it is moved down to the beam, and loses its value when it is moved back up. Now using this, now we can say, using this unit point to designate the unit rod here. Now this abacus is showing 1345, and now it is showing 46,709. Now before using the abacus, make sure that all the beads are in neutral position representing 0. This is done by moving up all the 5 unit beads and moving down all 1 unit beads. In clearing abacus for use, hold the left hand here, left hand with its with your left middle finger on its upper edge and your left thumb on its lower edge. I am right handed, so I am telling you hold it with left. If you are left handed, you have to hold it with your right hand. So, and move all the beads like that. Move all the beads down by slanting the upper edge toward your body, and after leveling the abacus again, raise all 5 unit beads by moving the right index finger like that from left to right along the, like that, along the upper edge of the beam. Now when calculating on the abacus, use two fingers only, always index finger and your thumb. So use the index finger to do three things: moving 5 unit bead down and up, and if some 1 unit beads are up, you can move down like 2 units here, 1 units with the index finger. So there are three things you have to do with your index finger: 1 unit beads down and 5 unit beads up and down also. And the thumb will do only one thing: it will move the unit beads up always, nothing else it will do. The best and quickest way to acquire skill in abacus manipulation is to use the index finger and thumb strictly as prescribed in rules for bead manipulation. The correct finger movements will be taught in detail in the coming lessons. Now, another important secret for acquiring rapid skill in abacus is always to keep your fingers close to the beads. Never raise your fingers high from the beads, nor put them in between the put them deep between the beads. You have to put it like this here. They are not touching the beads and they are not far from the beads also. And when you glide the beads up and down, just do it just by touching their edges slightly with the tip of your finger, like that. So that's it. And this was the introduction to basic calculations and abacus. From the next video we'll start our lessons. If you want to be called genius or human calculator, then complete all the practice exercises that we are giving you as PDF files and complete this course.